Hi viewers, good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel. To my lovely subscribers, I welcome you all to my channel. For those of you who haven't subscribed to this channel, guys, subscribe guys. Subscription is free guys. To also get you notified anytime I post interesting video that is going to be helping your hair to grow or retain length. If you have a long hair and you doesn't know how to retain your hair length, your hair is breaking, this is time for you. This is time for you to follow this channel. In this channel I upload a lot of on different hair care routines that is going to be helping your hair to grow. If you are suffering from a hair loss or hair breakage, this channel is for you. Here I upload different type of things. For those of you who are suffering from hair loss, I have a video that you can watch to manage your hair or maintain your hair or solve that your hair problem. So guys, in today's video, what I'm actually applying is rice and sunflower, a little of sunflower seed. That is exactly what I'm applying on her hair, which is called rice hairspray. You see this? Look at my daughter's hair. Can you see how healthy this looks like? So, and I want to assure you that anything I do in this video does not contain any filter. It does not contain any filter at all, and it does not contain any added length. The way you are seeing the hair, even though the camera is not really capturing the length or the texture of this hair, but I assure you that this hair is super long and super healthy. The strands of this hair is very thick. So guys, hairs are not playing. It is time for you to wake up, to follow the things I do to my daughter's hair. Do it to your own hair and wait for results. Wait for results guys, wait for results. Can you see? Can you see? When I started growing my daughter's hair, it was like as if the hair is not really adding length, but I didn't stop. I was pushing. I was consistent in it. I was applying so many things. Then I saw that it was going. I saw that the hair is improving, the hair was adding length. I saw that the strands of her hair was getting thicker. So guys, is your hair, do you have a damaged hair, or your hair is as in it it gets too as in like your hair hardly adds length, or your the strands of your hair is so weak, so weak, or your hair is not really growing, or your hair is not full like the way you want it, I want to assure you that herbs work, especially in your hair care routine, especially when you add clove to your hair care routine. Like clove plays a very wonderful and a strong role in growing hair. And that is the reason why you have to follow this channel. You have to follow this channel. So guys, in this video, I tried pounding my rice, but it was not really going through well. So guys, but I want to let you know that it is not a must that you must pound your rice. You can soak your rice and leave it to the next day and strain it. So the water is what we need. So by that time you soak your rice and leave it to the next day, all the nutrients as in will be it will be able to come out. So it's the nutrients that is in the rice, it is what we need. So it is not must you pound it. So the reason why I am pounding my is that it is, so I need to do this video and I need to apply it on my daughter's hair why I make a new hair for her. So it is very urgent. So that is the reason why I did not soak my, you understand. So after pounding it, I have to add water and leave it for 1 hour. Then I strain it. So guys, this is time for us to strain our rice. Like I told you, all the nutrients in this rice now. It is left here in the water. It is packed here inside the water you are seeing. So I'm just left with nothing but chaff. So guys, you're going to be washing this after 30 minutes out, after applying it. So guys, this is the end of this video. I love you all. Bye bye. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Bye.